What happens when a promise rejection is not handled? This is one of the most common bugs that can crash your Node.js server in production. Let's break it down. When a promise is rejected and there's no catch handler, Node.js throws an unhandled promise rejection error. In this example, the fetch call fails, but there's no catch block. The runtime detects this and raises a warning or error. This is Node's way of telling you something went wrong that you didn't handle. Without a catch handler or try-catch block around await, the rejection propagates silently up the call stack. Unlike synchronous errors that crash immediately, unhandled rejections can slip through unnoticed. The promise chain breaks and your code continues executing as if nothing happened. This makes debugging incredibly difficult because you don't see where things went wrong. The behavior changed significantly in Node 15 and later. In older versions, unhandled rejections only triggered a warning in the console. But from Node 15 onwards, an unhandled rejection will terminate your entire process with exit code 1. This was done to prevent silent failures in production. Your server can literally crash because of one missing catch handler. You can set up global rejection handlers as a safety net. In Node.js, use process dot on unhandled rejection to catch any rejection that wasn't handled locally. In browsers, listen for the unhandled rejection event on the window object. These are useful for logging and monitoring, but they shouldn't replace proper local error handling. Best practices are simple. Always attach a catch method to promise chains. When using async await, wrap your code in try-catch blocks. Never leave a promise without error handling, and use global handlers for monitoring, not as your primary error strategy. Remember, unhandled promise rejections can crash your app in Node 15 and later. Always use catch or try-catch to handle errors properly. Now go practice this on Interview Mentor. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.